Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be using Sketch 3 for this giveaway hop, and this is Kendra's card challenge number 22. And I'm so excited to be joining the team, and I thought I would print out Sketch 3. My printer was going out of ink, so it's a different color. These pretty images and print pattern paper is from a Secret Garden digital card making kit. It's a bonus printable, and I thought this butterfly paper was really pretty. You also get 50 colored images, you get 12 circle sentiments, and you get 40 sentiment strips, and those fit with a universal die from LV Handcrafted that's available at the Not Too Shabby shop. And I'm going to be cutting my butterfly paper, and so I'm going to be cutting some squares because the Sketch 3 requires 4 squares and they are at 1.5 by 1.5. And you can make this sketch your own. So if you don't have a trimmer and maybe you have something else, you can use a punch or something else to make it look like Sketch 3, but in your own way. Like it requires a circle die, so if you don't have a circle punch or die, then you can use a different shape. And I love that you can like flip it and just make it your own. So this is a giveaway hop, and there's a bunch of chances that you can win. We also have an Instagram hop. So stop at each stop because every stop has a secret giveaway phrase, and mine is Misty. So I don't know if you need to put Misty stamping tool or Misty, but that is my phrase for this giveaway. And also I wanted to let you know that there is join Kendra's Patreon membership program, and Kendra's card challenge is free each quarter, but there are tiers that you can benefit and get perks from. Like there is a bronze, a silver, a gold, and a platinum, and the platinum VIP gives you so much for your money, so you're going to want to choose the VIP. Also, you can, as a VIP member, you can receive a monthly full mystery card making kit or SVG files. So I would check and read more information on that, and then you'll probably want to check the VIP because you get so much more for your money there. And then we have tons of prize sponsors, so great. So you'll want to make 15 cards, and this challenge runs from April 1st until June 30th. So you'll want to get your 15 cards done and take a picture and upload it to the Facebook album. And it would be one picture for your 15 cards. And there is a like a link to add them. I don't want to say the wrong name. Link like a linky that you can click on, and then there's individual giveaways too. You can do you could do this Sketch 3. These are the round bonus sentiments that you get included in this Secret Garden kit, which is so good. I love this. So, and I'm just going to cut out my circle there, and I did fussy cut my images, but you can use a Brother Scan and Cut. Mine doesn't work very well, so I prefer to fussy cut. And I'm just going to glue all my papers together, and I love that the sketches tell you what size everything is. You can cut everything all at once, and I might do that when I start my 15 cards. And I'm gluing everything to my card base here. And there's going to be a giveaway form at each stop, so make sure and fill that out. And like I said, my phrase, Misty, and put that down. Also, you can win a huge prize from Kendra. So, and the deadline for this giveaway hop is April 12th, and it will be listed on Kendra's Cards by Kendra YouTube channel, and it would be under the posts. So I'm just gluing my squares. I have my strips and I have my 2 circles, and I love that one of the circles is a sentiment. So I love how easy this card came out, and I think it's really pretty. So I would check out that Platinum VIP section so that you can get these bonus printables. And we just have so many sponsors, so great. And check out all our YouTube videos during this challenge 22. There's hashtags that you're going to want to put as well so that we can see your cards, and it would be hashtag KCC22 or hashtag Kendra's Card Challenge 22. And so all the information will be on the bottom as well in case you need to click it and read more. And check out Instagram because more chances to win, and every stop has a different sketch they're working on, so you'll want to check those out maybe more than once so you can see, get inspiration on how to make your card. We will also be posting in the Facebook group and social media as well. And just check out the Patreons and all the card sketches, and we will teach you how to do 15 cards with 6x6 pattern papers, 6 of those. I'm excited to make lots of cards, and so I will be cutting out all my pieces because I can't wait to put those together. And I'm just gluing my 4 squares together here. They were a little too close, but I think it's okay. And so I will just put my strips, my 3 strips, and then my circles, and then I'm gonna actually add some embellishments as well, just for fun. And then those images I'm going to use on my 15 cards. I'm going to cut out some more, so that will be a lot of fun. And I will have another video next month sharing my cards, so check that video out. And just adding my strips. I didn't like how it looked. It wasn't straight to me, so now I'm going to be adding my next 2 strips. And I like the size of these strips because you can just grab some scraps and just cut them, and then so it doesn't take up much paper to add these cute little strips. They can even have sentiments on them, some cute little sentiment strips. That would be cute. And then my 2 circles. So I love that yellow. I love fun colors. I love all these colors together. And so I think that orange looks okay. And then I will just add 3 of those embellishments that I have to the left. So I will have everything down below for you, and just have fun hopping and entering all the giveaway forms for more chances to win. Check out the Patreon areas and join Kendra's Card Challenge. If you're new, so wonderful. If you've been doing it for a while, I would love to know when was your first challenge. And yeah, just so much fun. So I will share a close-up And then thank you for joining me today and have a wonderful day. And here it is. And I thought I would add something, but I'm not going to. But isn't it cute with that little bow? But I kept as is. I still kept thinking about it though. And I even fussy cut it, but nope, I'm not going to use it. Not for this card. And so I'm going to, here's my close-up. So thank you. And this is using sketch 3 for Kendra's card challenge 22.